Oh, that's good. Ooh, man, still recuperating from that NABCEP conference in Milwaukee. I was pleasantly surprised. That was a lot of fun. But that's not what this video is. That's not a NABCEP breakdown. I want to talk about this HelioVolta report that came out a week or two ago. Everybody talking about it like it's the smoking gun against MLPE. I don't share that mindset. And I wrote a blog that goes into a lot deeper detail on why I don't like that. Ooh. There's just some things missing from that report, you know? And they sensationalized 74 high-risk incidents, 21 thermal events, fires since 2021. It's like, okay, well, that's just data. That doesn't show risk, it shows incidents. Yeah? But the bigger thing that everybody's got such a freaking whoop-de-doo about is that, oh yeah, see, this shows MLPE are bad for the industry. And that's a bullshit take. If you read that article or if you read that white paper and your conclusion is get rid of MLPE, then you didn't read the article. Or you're trying to take the path of least resistance and just get rid of MLPE. Oh, it's too complex, get rid of it. Yeah. So that mindset does not improve the quality of work. Which, by the way, at the end of that article, almost the very end, they give you the reason for those MLPE failures. Bad crimps, intermatability issues, bend radiuses, none of that's MLPE. That's workmanship. So as I said, getting rid of MLPE doesn't fix the workmanship problem. It doesn't raise the standards of our industry. And it sure as hell doesn't move this industry forward. I wrote a blog, click on the link. And you know, in the Navy, they always said, a happy sailor is a bitching sailor. Well, I never agreed with that. It's like, why don't you just not make the situation so bad that we have to bitch about it? But they also said, if you're going to bitch about something, you better have a solution. Yeah, well, I got one. And I wrote about it, I don't know, maybe a month or two ago when somebody, oh, Greg, so what are we supposed to do then? Yeah, I got you. But the industry's not ready for it. Most of y'all aren't. Because it holds installers and installation companies accountable. You know, y'all just aren't ready for that conversation. You'd rather just, get rid of complexity. That'll fix everything. MLPE don't cause issues. Okay, they exposed a weakness in our industry. Get rid of them. Easy way out. Yeah. Well, that's all I got. And I might be full of shit. Wouldn't be the first time. So give those a read. Let me know what you think. And I'll be happy to talk to you about it.